Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Plants always bring about a positive ambience to any home. We grow a lot of plants outside our house to keep our surrounding air fresh and clean. What a wonderful idea if we grow these plants inside our house. Money plant or pothos, also known as devil's ivy, is a low maintenance house plant that keeps the air clean and adds to the glory and beauty of our home. How to grow these plants indoor, what care we should take are the basic questions to be answered. You can grow these plants in soil as well as water. Cuttings can be taken from mother plant and rooted in water or soil as per your convenience. Within 2 weeks, new roots come out from these cuttings. You can grow these cuttings even in coffee mugs as I have done here. They grow very well, just little water is required and they look very beautiful as well, enhancing the beauty of your dining table or even a teapot. After 2 weeks of planting, you can see the fibrous root coming out of these cuttings. This indicates their successful growth. So here some cuttings I had planted some 10 to 15 days before in an open vessel. So there is no such hard and fast rule that where you should grow these plants. You can grow it anywhere as per your choice. After planting these cuttings, for at least first week you should change the water every 2 days. Then only these roots will appear. After 10 days, just weekly change of water is sufficient. You can see the colorful leaves, they are looking so attractive. For the first time, I have planted this succulent in a coffee mug. They are called succulents because they store lot of water in their leaves and stem. They require very little water to grow. So here I have planted this succulent in a waste Bisleri bottle and it has grown very well. They will not dry out even if we don't water it for 10 to 15 days. So even if we go out for vacations for a month, it can survive very well. My lilies have also blossomed very well this time. Coming back to our indoor plants. So here in a ketchup bottle, I have planted this pothos. You can see the fibrous roots emerging out. They will grow very well. You can keep it on corner glasses. You can place it near the windows where they get sufficient light and air. Don't keep the plants under direct sunlight because they will burn out. Money plants can be planted in aquarium also. It will give the fishes a clean water environment. Money plant brings positive energy in our house and they reflect out the negative energy. So definitely place a plant on the study table of our kids. It will boost up their energy to concentrate on their studies. Nowadays, children as well as adults spend lot of time in front of electronic gadgets like mobiles and computers. These gadgets emit lot of harmful radiation which is not good for human body and mind. Money plants are best radiation absorbers. They protect our family from electromagnetic radiations of these devices. So never forget to place a pot of money plant near the electronic devices. You can keep these plants even in bedrooms and bathrooms, but I never prefer to do so. Don't keep these plants in kitchen because these will droop out due to the hot environment in that room. Change the water frequently, at least once a week. No need to add any fertilizer or pesticide. Don't overwater if you have placed the money plant in a soil. Remove dry leaves and dead leaves to keep the plant healthy and green. These plants are little poisonous for cats and dogs as it contains calcium oxalate which causes irritation and vomiting if ingested. Since olden days, there is a popular belief that by placing a money plant at home, one can gain financial prosperity. There is also a superstition prevailing in some sector that money plant has to be robbed from someone's place, then only it brings financial luck to us. But I personally feel it as a wrong belief. So next time you wish to bring a money plant in your house, you can ask it from the owner or purchase it online. That would be the best way to become environment friendly. Hope this video has raised your oxygen level. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.